Ache will finally declare. And I say so in all humility. Ghanaians are looking for a president who will fight for the interests of Ghana and not for political parties. They are looking for a president who will unite the nation and not divide the nation. They are looking for a president who would establish a government of national unity, a truly representative government, a government for the people, of the people, and by the people. Ghanaians are looking for a president who would also execute and lead the process of constitutional reforms that will help improve the quality of governance in our country. And last but not the least, Ghanaians are looking for a president who will inspire behavioral change and mindset change amongst Ghanaians. And with my record outside government, within government, locally and internationally, in all humility, I believe that I fit that bill.